Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Warhamul Sombing, class NPM 158 and friends.
Hello everyone, my name is Ibnu Hasan Prasojo, class NPM 180.
Hello everyone, my name is Jamil Mutiu, class NPM 189.
Hello everyone, my name is Anggradia Nicola Juliani, class NPM 166.
Before we start, I want to ask, how long do you usually spend in front of screen every day? Have you ever felt tired or unwell after sitting and starting at gadgets for a long time? I myself used to spend hours in front of a screen without moving until I finally realized the importance of managing screen time and adding physical activity to my daily routine. Today, I will discuss how simple change in managing screen time and increasing physical activity can have a big impact on our health and productivity. Okay, next let's go straight to PPT. Slide number 1. I will explain it myself. The background of screen time and physical activity is closely related to change in people's lifestyles, especially children and adolescents who are increasing spending time in front of electronic devices such as television, computers, and gadgets. Excessive use of screen time tends to reduce physical activity because the time that should be used for movement is spent more sitting or lying down, which is sedentary before. Okay, next let's go straight to PPT slide number 2. I will explain it. Anggradia Nicola.
Purpose screen time as physical activity. Limit screen time so that children and adolescents are not exposed to electronic devices for too long, which can have a negative impact on their mental and physical health 24. Accurate and balance between technology use and physical activity to support children's optimal physical, mental, and social development. 28. Ensure children remain physical activity to prevent chronic healthy problems and mental disorders associated with a sedentary lifestyle, to excess screen use, social connectivity, and mental health when appropriately. 1. Benefit screen time physical activity. Benefit of constant screen time supports education, digital skill, creativity, social connectivity, and mental health as appropriately. Benefit of physical activity improves cardiovascular health, strengthens bones and muscle, control weight, prevents coronary diseases, and improves children's connected memory
Okay, next let's go strike to PPT step number 3. I will explain it myself. It Kiamba.
Yes, question screen time versus physical activity. And one, how does screen time affect the level of physical activity in adolescence? Two, is there a relationship between the social development and screen time and physical activity? And three, do more than 2 hours of screen time per day tend to be less physically activity than those who are screens for less than 2 hours. 4. How can screen time be managed so that it does not interrupt physical activity and health? Next one. Data collection technique. Data collection technique on screen time and physical activity generally as a combination. 1. Measurement of physical activity using a photometer such as digital attached to the child wall for 2x24 hours to record the number of the steps. This step data is then category to assess the child physical activity level 1 and 2. Interview using questionnaires to obtain data on screen time duration, time watching TV, flying computer, and other devices, and physical activity. This questionnaire can also include in the game routine, pattern and other relevant habits to 278. 3. Survey scale to measure social and behavioral aspects related to screen time and physical activity, and to calculate the duration of physical activity in minutes or hours. 5. Measurement of motor skill using special data such as the barometer ability test, which includes standing, board jump, zigzag run, and mechanical ball puts, to ask the effect of screen time on student motor skill 6.
And this is data collection.
Okay, next let's go strike to PPT slide. I will explain it if
Okay, analysis result screen time versus physical activity. The result of the analysis of the relationship between screen time and physical activity show mixed findings depending on the context and population of the study. A study in adolescents age so the majority of respondents had exceeded screen time to hours day. There was no statistically significant relationship between screen time duration and physical. The pandemic adolescent physical activity tended to increase even though screen time was still high one. Another study showed the higher screen time was associated with higher physical activity in children, indicating negative relationship between screen time and physical activity. A study in Indonesia also reported a low prevalence of physical activity in adolescents with high screen time. But the relationship between the two was not statistically significant, indicating that screen time and physical activity could be independent behaviors. 60 in August adolescents, a significant relationship was found between screen time and physical activity with energy intake, indicating that high screen time and low and physical activity with energy intake, indicating that high screen time and low physical activity can contribute to increased energy intake and the risk of CT5. Several other studies have also shown that children and adolescents with more than 2 hours of screen time per day tend to be less physically active, especially in groups that were previously active. Next slide. Discussion screen time versus physical activity. The discussion on screen time and physical activity highlights the complex relationship between these two variables in the context of adolescent health. Research shows that high screen time is often associated with sedentary lifestyle that can reduce physical activity, thereby increasing the risk of obesity and impaired nutritional status in adolescents. For example, in obese adolescent at SMK Negeri 1 Banjarbaru, SMK Negeri 1 Banjarbaru. Significant relationship was found between screen time and energy intake, as well as between physical activity and energy intake, indicating that excessive screen use and low physical activity contribute to increased calorie intake and obesity. However, that relationship between screen time and physical activity is not always linear or contradictory. Several studies have found that screen time and physical activity can be independent behaviors, where someone can have high screen time while still doing sufficient physical activity. 5. For example, research in Mataram showed no significant relationship between screen time duration and physical activity level before, during, and after the COVID-19 pandemic. Even physical activity tended to increase after the pandemic, even though screen time remained high.
Okay, and last PPT, conclusion. The conclusion of studies show that there is a significant relationship between screen time and physical activity, with energy intake and adolescent status in adolescents, especially those who are obese. Adolescents with high screen time tend to have low physical activity and excess energy intake, which contributes to the risk of obesity. However, the relationship between screen time and physical activity is not always linear, but can be independent before, where someone can have high screen time while still doing physical activity. Therefore, operated screen time managing no more than 2 hours per day and increasing physical activity by 8 less minutes per day are recommended to maintain energy balance to prevent thank you for attention. More or less I apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.